All right, let's have a little bit of a chat about data types. And data is just, it's a fancy word for information. It's just something we collect. We might collect it through a survey or some observations. But when we collect data, we can split it into two different types. Data that is made up of words or data that is made up of numbers. Now, if it's words, we call it categorical data. Words that sort of fall into categories. Numbers, we call it numerical. So it's either categorical data or it's numerical. They're the two main groups. But each of those groups then we could split into two as well. So for categorical data, we could split it into words that are what we call categorical nominal. So they're things that have no order to them. Like hair color. If you did a survey of people's hair colors, it's not like one comes before the other. Okay, so brown, blonde, red, they're all just their own thing. Birthplace, where you were born, Gosford, New Zealand, America, there's no order to them. But some words have an order, and by that we mean things that come before other things. Bad, good, or great. There's an order from one, you work your way up to the other. First, second, third are words that have an order to them. So we call that categorical ordinal data. Numbers can be split into two groups. One group is called discrete. So it's just numbers that can be counted. Usually they're whole numbers or integers. So things like shoe size. Oh, I'm a size 8 or I'm a size 10. It's just a one-off number. How much money did you earn? Oh, $150. Or for the day I earned $400. It's just a number on its own. But some numbers are part of a spectrum, that go from one to another. So they're things that could be measured. For example, height might be 1.52, next comes 1.53, next comes 1.54 meters. So often things that can be measured, we would call continuous. Time, okay, could be 67 seconds, then 68 seconds or 69 seconds. So if we're looking at data, we split it into categorical or numerical, and each one of those we split into the two groups. So if I asked you, for example, someone's age, right? If it was 42, for example, that's a number. So we know it's numerical data. It's not continuous, it's discrete. It's just a one-off number that represents somebody's age. All right, good job. Well done.